want your home to be as beautiful as the houses you see on Instagram? Hi, I'm Richa Monge and I'm an interior designer, and I want to help you make your home beautiful. You've stumbled upon this video or you're watching me, that is because you liked our page and you followed us. So let me begin by thanking you for being a support system. A beautiful home can transform your entire life. You know why? Because a space around us fully impacts us 24/7 by the way it feels, the way it looks. So it's very important to have a cohesive, beautiful space around you so that you can grow, you can learn, you can just enjoy your life, especially in this quarantine times when we are homebound and when we have no place to go. Maybe you wanted to decorate your home for many years, but you didn't know how to start, where to go, what to look for, how to select your contractors, or even the confidence to do it on your own. I know exactly how you feel. I've been there. Trust me, I've been there. So that's the reason why we will be embarking on this journey. I'm nervous, but excited too. Because in this series, we are not only going to help you understand or tell you about me, my company, my design style, the vision that our company has, but also we'll also be telling you a lot of principles, a lot of techniques that can be very simply used or inculcated into our own homes, in our own spaces, very simply to make the space look more professional, to look more cohesive and simply beautiful. And yes, I cannot leave before giving you a one simple trick that I use when I'm designing my homes. Um, it's a passion that I follow. It's something which is so beautifully. It comes so naturally to me, and I just love doing my clients' homes. And that's because I never follow trends. Follow your heart. May your design style be Scandinavian, modern, industrial, bohemian, or maybe an amalgamation of all the different design styles. But what you want to live with, design it with that. What you can feel connected to, design with that. What makes the family come together, design with that. So that's the trick. That makes the happy home. That makes your house beautiful. That makes the house unique to you. And that's my design tip. So let's start our journey with this design tip. And so stay tuned, keep in touch. If in case you're not following, follow us, like our page. We'll give you the details down below. And let's get started. Take care. See ya. See you on the next session.